For years, Insta360 practically owned the consumer 360 camera market. If you wanted the best mix of image quality, software, stabilization, and that famous invisible selfie stick effect, the answer felt obvious. Then the competition started catching up. And suddenly, the upcoming Insta360 X6 feels less like a routine upgrade and more like a response to pressure. The Insta360 X5 was a huge success when it launched in 2025. Its replaceable lens system solved one of the biggest frustrations in 360 cameras: damaged lenses. Instead of replacing the entire device, users could simply swap the glass. Combined with excellent stabilization and some of the smartest AI editing tools in the industry, the X5 became the go-to choice for creators, travelers, and action shooters. But over the past year, cracks started to show. Not major flaws, but areas where rivals began pulling ahead. The biggest issue was low light performance. During the day, the X5 still looked fantastic. But once lighting conditions dropped, noise and softness became more noticeable. That weakness gave competitors an opportunity. DJI's Osmo 360 changed the conversation by focusing heavily on sensor performance and professional video features. Larger pixels, cleaner night footage, 10-bit color, and higher frame rates suddenly made the X5 feel slightly behind in serious production workflows. Not outdated, just no longer untouchable. And that's exactly why the X6 matters. Recent regulatory filings strongly suggest the camera is real and close to launch. Historically, these filings appear only weeks before official announcements, which points toward a possible summer 2026 release. The timing also makes sense because Insta360 recently reduced X5 pricing across major retailers, something companies often do before introducing a successor. The rumored upgrades sound ambitious. The biggest rumor is a move toward larger 1-inch sensors. If that actually happens, it could completely transform low-light performance. Bigger sensors mean more light capture, cleaner shadows, improved dynamic range, and far better nighttime footage. In a 360 camera, where tiny sensors have always been a limitation, that kind of jump would be massive. Video performance is also expected to improve significantly. Reports suggest the X6 could shoot 8K 360 video at 60 frames per second, doubling the frame rate of the X5. That matters because smoother motion makes reframed footage feel much closer to footage from dedicated action cameras. Fast movement, sports, biking, skiing, or travel shots would all benefit immediately. Another rumored upgrade is 10-bit color recording. Casual users may not care about that spec, but creators absolutely will. Once you start color grading footage professionally, 10-bit becomes a huge advantage. Shadows hold together better, skies avoid ugly color banding, and footage simply has more flexibility in post-production. Battery life is reportedly improving too, with leaks pointing toward well over 100 minutes of continuous 8K recording. That would solve one of the biggest pain points for event creators and travel shooters who need longer, uninterrupted sessions. But honestly, hardware alone isn't what made Insta360 dominant. Software did. That's still the company's biggest advantage. Insta360's AI reframing tools remain more polished than almost anything competitors offer. And the X6 is expected to push even further with smarter subject tracking, automated editing, voice controls, and deeper AI-assisted workflows. For solo creators, that matters more than specs sometimes because editing 360 footage can become exhausting very quickly. The real question now is whether the X6 arrives at the right moment. Competition is stronger than ever, and the gap between generations is shrinking. Consumers expect meaningful upgrades every single year now, not just small refinements. If the rumors are accurate, the Insta360 X6 could become more than just the next 360 camera. It could be the model that pushes 360 video beyond social media clips and into serious filmmaking territory. But expectations are high, and in this industry, hype moves faster than hardware. Now we wait to see if Insta360 can deliver a camera that doesn't just defend its position, but takes the lead again.